Hi everyone, if you want to be a smarter trader, welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna explain some other particular features and options of my strategies. I explained the other special features of my strategy in my previous videos. Here in this video, we're gonna talk about the last section of our strategy. In this part, I'm gonna explain multi-time frame MACD and 4 MACDs of this time frame that we have in the chart. And we're gonna talk about this section. And we're gonna see how does it work in the strategy. If you are interested to gain the access of my VIP strategies and my other strategies, or if you have your own strategy and you want me to code that for you, send me a message in my Telegram. The link of my Telegram and also my Telegram channel and my email is in description below all my videos. In this part, I put 4 MACDs as a filter in the strategy, and these MACDs that we choose here must have green or red histogram, then we enter to a long or short position. It means that if we want to enter to a long position, each of these MACDs we tick here with these settings should have a green histogram, and if we want to enter to a short position, each of these 4 MACDs histogram should be red. Okay, if you want to tick all of these MACDs, here we have 4 MACDs with these sample settings, but you can change these numbers to whatever you want. I put these numbers as an example here in this setting. And with these numbers, all 4 histogram MACDs must be green in the chart. Let me show you in the chart. As you can see, all of our histograms are green for this position, and it takes a long position here. These 4 histograms are green with their own settings in the strategy. You can use 3 MACDs if you want, or you can choose 2 MACDs. Or you can also use, for example, histogram MACD number 1 and histogram MACD number 4. Use MACD number 4 to identify the trend, and use MACD number 1 to identify market volatility, and then enter to a position. So MACD 2 and MACD 3 will be removed from the chart, and only these 2 MACDs should be green or red to take long or short positions. Okay guys, don't forget to subscribe and like my videos if you like the content. The other option that we have in this strategy is multi-time frame MACD. Multi-time frame MACD will help us to use other time frames, for example 1 hour, for entering to a position. If we activate this one, it will enter to long position when in 1 hour time frame our MACD is green. Okay, let me adjust this MACD setting here and choose 1 hour time frame. Okay, now when this histogram is green, it takes long position, and when it's red, it takes short position. This option can be helpful for us to optimize the strategy in a scalping or other trading methods, and it can keep you away from taking unprofitable positions. The other option that we have in this strategy is volume filter. If you add this filter to the chart, then this candle, that is our entry signal, must have a volume higher than the average of previous 30 candles volume to enter to a position. So our candle needs to have an acceptable volume to confirm position entry. The next section is about parabolic SAR. If we choose parabolic SAR in different time frames and apply it to the chart, we can take positions using this option. Let me explain how it's gonna work for us. Well, we don't need this MACD now. Okay, here we're using 1 hour time frame parabolic SAR. When the price is above SAR, it only takes long positions, and when the price is below SAR, it only takes short positions. This is another filter that you can use in the strategy to have better trades. The next filter I'm gonna explain is ADX and stochastic. We have an option here that we can choose, or and. If you tick ADX and also a stochastic, if you choose or, it means that our ADX or our stochastic, one of them needs to show us entry signal. When we choose or, one of these is enough to identify positions. But if we choose and here, both of them must show us entry signal together. Then you can take long or short positions. This part is related to ADX settings and this part is the stochastic settings. The other option and filter we have in this strategy that is so important and I'm going to explain is divergence. Look at this part. I have considered divergence for 8 indicators. And when we choose, for example, our divergence to be active only on RSI, now we turn this filter on and we have RSI divergence. So it only enters the position when we have RSI divergence in a few previous candles. To check the depth of divergence, we can choose any number we want for this part. And this part, it will determine the validity of the divergence. It means that it enters a long or short position when maximum 15 candles have passed from our RSI divergence that we announced. Or you can also use the RSI and CCI divergence to take positions. Here, the OR filter is active, so we can take position when we have each of these RSI or CCI divergence in maximum 15 previous candles. You can also use MACD histogram, OBV, DI, high-low swing, and stochastic as divergence filters. And this part relates to different settings for each of these divergence that you can adjust here. In this section, we have alert box. In this box, you can type any messages you want to be sent to you in different webhooks or your email or pop-ups. And after you set alerts, then this message will be sent to you. If you want to receive message that you have in this box, you should type your message here and click OK. Then click on this icon that is alert settings. Hit create alert. And when you want to set a specific alert, after you pick a name for it, you need to erase this text here and put this phrase: strategy.order.alert_message. It exactly has to be this phrase with these brackets and nothing more or less. Then click on create, and when you create this alert here, the message you receive is exactly what you typed in the alert box here. So this message will be sending to your email or webhook or anywhere else you want. If you want to gain the access of my coded strategies or you want me to code your own strategy, contact me in my Telegram and let me know. Link of my Telegram is in description below. This was the explanation of other features of my strategy. I hope it is useful for you. Thanks for watching. If you like my videos, make sure to subscribe for more. Have a good time!